Alright, so in this haircut, we are going to cut a classic bob. So the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a center section down the center of the back, two A-line sections, one on the right side, one on the left side. You can see I've got those clipped away. And then this section that is hanging down, I'm combing down and basically holding the hair in my comb and cutting in that guide. Basically the new outline for the rest of the haircut. So I'm going to work my way up the hair. You can see I've taken another section, combing that hair down, and I'm using that section underneath as my guide. And I'm going to do this all throughout the left side and then again all throughout the right side, and then we will be all done with our haircut. Alright, so now that we've completed the left side, it is now time to cut the outline on the right side. You can see I've taken another A-line section, I've clipped it away, combing that hair down, and you can see that I can see the guide underneath that section to know how short to cut this section. So, holding the hair in my hand is holding the hair, I should say, against the neck to keep it nice and flat there. I'm using the comb to hold it nice and flat so I can get a nice, clean, precision bob outline. Alright, so now we are cutting the right side of the bob. We've already done the back right side. Now it's time to do the right side. So, going through, using the back as my guide, creating the desired angle that I'm looking for. And once I've done this, we'll go ahead and dry the hair and wrap the haircut up. Alright, so we've come to the end of this bob haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments on the classic bob, please feel free to put them down in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and as always, I want to thank you so very much again for watching.